Okay, today we're pleased to offer to you this 2022 Land Rover Defender. It's a 110 commercial, finished in metallic silver with contrast black roof and some nice options all the way around. Okay, it's a D250 SE, so it's a nicer specification vehicle with a more powerful engine. As you can see, as we walk around, you'll see the nice options. It's got the contrast black roof, it's got black pack, it's got the 22-inch gloss black wheels, it's got air suspension pack and an electronically deployable tow bar. It's got the wider wheel arches and the large mud flaps, which you can see. It's in super condition, one owner from new. Let's come around the front. You'll see we've got front fog lamps, we've got the Matrix LED optional headlamps, and there we see the black pack, the black badges, gloss black checker plate, black mirrors, and also the black roof with the gloss black roof rails. Right, as you can see, it's in super condition. It's had one driver from new. Wheels have got no scuffs or scratches. There's no paintwork damage at all. There we can just see the electronic tow bar just underneath there. 22-inch spare wheel as well. This also has got the Clearsight mirror, which is probably unavailable most of the time. There we see the air suspension and the tow bar controls in the back there. And in the back there we can see very light use only. The lockers under the floors have never been used. You can fit a rear seat conversion in these vehicles now, which makes them fairly useful. Absolutely superb for benefit in kind, as you are no doubt aware if you're looking at this vehicle. And there are the side lockers. Again, nothing's ever been in there. Right, so that's the outside dealt with. As we come around, we'll just get into the front of the vehicle. And the first thing you're going to notice, which is quite rare nowadays, is this vehicle is fitted with the optional third seat. So there we are, jump seat fitted from factory. And there we see the leather upholstery. It's in superb condition, as are the removable mats. So we've got Meridian Sound System, memory seats, both sides, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. We've got cold climate pack, so we've got heated steering wheel, heated seats, obviously climate control, and there we see the clear view mirror, which you can turn off. Unfortunately, we've not got the option of the virtual cockpit, or the interactive drive display, as Land Rover call it. Okay, the mileage is at the moment 11,876. It will just increase slightly because the vehicle's still in use. Then we go across, we've got the infotainment screen there with all the settings on. We've got Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, so we get all the Waze and everything. The interior is in super condition, as you can see. The main controls down there, we've got the air suspension settings there. And we've also got the climate control, the heated seats. It's got a leather gear knob, which comes part of the leather steering wheel and the cold climate pack. So there we are. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 602222 or go on our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk for this video and loads of photos. Thank you.